When it comes to summertime get-togethers, there are a few things that are absolute must-haves. For some, it might be Dad's barbecue chicken, while for others, it may be Aunt Mary's Tutti Frutti ambrosia. However, for me, it has to be my mom's bubbling hot baked beans. And if you got a minute, I'll show you how they're made. We start with a couple of cans of baked beans. To that, we add in some molasses, crumbled bacon, yellow mustard, a bit of butter, and a can of crispy fried onions. After that's mixed, we pour it into a baking dish and top it with even more French fried onions before popping it in the oven. Then we let it bake until all the flavors come together and it's bubbling hot. As you can see, the whole thing takes no time to whip up, thanks to all the supermarket shortcuts. These taste amazing, and no one will ever know you didn't make them from scratch. To get your hands on this fun change of pace holiday must-have, which we call Backyard Bean Bake, all you have to do is go to our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a bubbling delicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Have fun?